Here we go. You're gonna need some channel lock, screwdriver, Phillips head. You're gonna need one of these clamps, they're connectors. You'll have a hole in the back, and this is to keep the strain down on the wire when you pull it out, okay? I'll show you how that works. This is the connection off the old one, or we're gonna use it on the new one. I'll start off, I don't pull on the door ever, so I'll pull right here. Pull this bad boy up. All right, you might need to use 2 hands, maybe not. Anyway, go down here, I'll have this little panel. We'll take this one screw off. Now we have access, okay? We're gonna go ahead and tear this out and get it going, okay? Okay, so what we're gonna do, screw this off. It's gonna be like that. I'm gonna loosen it up till I know I can get the cords through there. Here's our cord, here's the end. Yeah. We'll start with this terminal. Ooh. Maybe this is calling for the... We're gonna need to get a socket for that, or it's gonna strip. We got the first one in. Tight. Now, we're gonna go after this black one right here, so move these around. Okay. You're gonna move this one around to here. We'll tighten it down better here in a second. So we'll go ahead and do the white one. Give it a little snag tight. I want to kind of push that one in place so it won't bend out of place. And then I'll go ahead and put the ratchet back on. Switch it to the right, turn it to the right. Give it a little snug tight. You don't want to do it too tight, you'll break the components. We want to just make sure that our ground is real tight. The rest of these are tight. Don't forget about these. They should already came tight, but you just want to make sure. So what we're doing is trying to tighten down a little on the cord. You want to get it a little bit in there to where it'll bite down on it. Just want it pretty snug on the cord so it won't move around on you. That should be good. This goes on like that. So that is covered. Pull this in kind of close and then to lean down. Plug it in. And then you can stand on this side. There it is. If you like it, like, subscribe. See you on the next video.